it's me, Saanvi, and today I'm going to show you how to make. So you're going to add as much glue as you can into the container, and then you're going to fill it up with water, as you can see, and mix it like very well. And then if you want it to smell, add some salt in like the container place. So I'm just adding the water in, and then you're going to add some lotion if you want. Like, I always overactivate mine. You can ask anyone. I'll be right back with some new lotion because this sucks. Like, no offense or anything. So, add your lotion in to your water and your glue. And if you need more glue, you can add that in too. And then mix. And add a little bit of baking soda and just a little bit at a time of your contact solution. I use the top of mine to like measure it out because I always overdo it. And I use the top of my thing just to like do that. Oh no. It smells better. Then just add that in. I might need a little more glue after this. Just might. That'll be off camera. Stir it for a really long time and then it'll get like nice. Like, you know what barrel slimes are? If you don't, then look it up. It's like that consistency and I love it. Okay, so this is kind of like what the consistency is. If it's too sticky for you, just add a little more activator, not too much, or else you will overactivate it. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna do like a montage where I don't talk, because we all love those. Somewhere over here should be an I button, and click that I button to vote which color this slime should be. There's pink, purple, blue, or all of them mixed together. And in the next video, you will see this slime. Make sure you do the poll card up there to pick what color my slime should be. And if you haven't, like and subscribe for more. Bye!